I gotta be honest with you guys, this is probably my most anticipated unboxing video I've done in a while. And if you've noticed, I've done a lot of them recently. Alloyman was nice enough to send me this laser level, a blower, but the thing behind me, I'm really excited to get into, so let's do that. So today I'm excited to share with you guys the Mini Chainsaw, 6-inch Mini Chainsaw. And the cool thing about this is another product of theirs that actually includes 2 batteries. Let's get it open and see what it looks like. So you get gloves, the manual, pair of safety glasses, the chainsaw itself. You get extra chains, the charger for your batteries. You have 20-volt batteries, 2 of them. What I've noticed is they send them charged, which is really nice, in my opinion. So that means as soon as you open the box, you can start going. Yeah, look at that, fully charged. I mean, that's pretty cool. And then of course, on top of that, you have a little oil dispenser. And I actually went out and purchased my own oil just to throw in here when I get started. So I'm gonna put this off to the side. And if you're wondering, they provide these hard cases, but they're, I don't know, they're kind of flimsy. I think it's fine for the purpose of the tool, but they're nothing to write home about. Let's take a quick look at the tool itself. So you have a safeguard, and as you push it down, this goes up. You have your tension. Honestly, I don't know much about chainsaws, so this is gonna be my first experience. You have where the battery hooks up at the bottom, and your trigger, and then you have this nice guard for your hand, which seems nice. So I'm curious with how this is gonna hold up. I have a few things I wanna test it on, and one of the main things for me is I have trees all around my perimeter and a few in my yard. So I deal with a lot of branches and stuff like that. So I would imagine this is gonna be really, really great for the smaller pieces of wood. And then I also am curious to see how long the batteries last. Again, I have 2 20-volt batteries, and I actually have the larger ones that came with the blower, the 20-volt 4 amp. So in the future, I'll probably grab all the batteries, throw it on here, if I have like a long day where I'm cutting a lot of wood, which is not uncommon. If you know a lot about chainsaws, please leave a comment down below, because I do plan on using this a lot. And I'm curious to just make sure I'm doing this properly. And then also, I noticed on all of their stuff, it says they have a 3-year warranty. So it seems like they back up their product really well. And I'm not sure who I've been talking to, but they seem to be really good about communication. So I appreciate that with companies. So yeah, let's go test it out. All right, so here's my first test. I'm gonna see how well it does cutting through this log right here. This was recently cut down, and it's pretty hard, but I think it's about 8 inches wide. So this is gonna be slightly too short, but I just wanna see how it does going through it. Also, I did put some lubrication on it, so honestly, I don't really know how much it needs, but we'll see how it goes. So here we go. All right, got locked up a little bit there. So it cut down maybe, I don't know, 2 inches. Cut through most of it. I don't know how well you can see that, but the top is about right here. So I'd say it was a good, I don't know, 4 inches or so, maybe 5. Again, I don't know much about chainsaws, so you might have to be a better judge than me, but it seems to be doing okay. I still have 4 bars on the battery. I don't know. If you guys look at this, leave me a comment down below. Is that too tight? Is that too loose? I mean, it's moving all right. All right, so we have this one branch here that's hanging fairly low and gets in the way when I'm cutting the grass. So I'm gonna see how it does cutting this. I would say it's probably 1.5 to 2 inches thick. So I don't think it's gonna be much of an issue, but this is the sort of thing I can see myself doing all the time. So let's see how it handles it. No problem. Easy. That was awesome. That's exactly what I was looking for. All right, so I've got this area here. As you can see, these bushes are like way overgrown. So I've been meaning to clean them up, and I want to get them cut down to about, the deck height level. I want to see how long this lasts on one battery, working on cutting this down and trimming it up. And then I have the other batteries here. But yeah, we're gonna see how long this lasts and go from there. So I've been going for about 10 minutes now, and it's still at 3 bars, and I'm only, pulling the trigger at maybe 10, 15 seconds at a time. But it's holding up pretty well so far. So I'm gonna keep going. By the way, I don't know if my wife will ever watch this video, but I hate these bushes. This is pretty awesome. For the price, for the batteries you get, for the accessories, everything, I would say this is a pretty good deal. It's gonna be able to do what I need it to do. I don't know exactly what you need it to do, but for me, I got a lot of stuff like this. I have a lot of branches that are overhanging that are in my way. I have an acre of land, so I need something that I can quickly cut it down with. To be honest with you, especially last summer, but even some this summer, I spent weeks literally sawing limbs off by hand, like hand saw or pole saw manually. So this is going to save me so much time. If you've been looking for something like this and you don't want to spend a ton of money, this is definitely the route to go. At least this one looks better, this one over here, but I'm still going to try to get it down to about the same height. I know you guys didn't click this video to watch me clean up my yard, but I appreciate you watching. If there's anything I did wrong in regards to safety or whatever, please let me know in the comments. But I appreciate your guys' time, and I'm super excited to have this. Again, thank you so much, Alloyman, for all the gifts. And hopefully these unboxings and short reviews have been helpful for you if you've been looking at this stuff. So I'm gonna go get to work. Catch you in the next video.